parish of Westmoreland is being neglected, both with garbage disposal and poor road conditions. This is the condition of the road at the entrance at the Sablamar Public General Hospital. Imagine an ambulance or any other emergency vehicle responding to an emergency and having to traverse these potholes to bring the patient to the emergency room. This is a tragedy, and the Jamaican people deserve better than this. We deserve proper garbage disposal. We deserve proper roads to traverse on, especially roads that lead to the emergency room, just in case somebody needs urgent medical help. We can do better.